Is it time to buy or sell SOFI stock? In this video, we're diving deep into SOFI. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT for at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of January, 2025, our system has identified SOFI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.41. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of approximately 7.91%. This results in an average return of about 1.98% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. A break above the upper trend line at $17.98 will initially signal a stronger upward movement. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 38.6% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 14.81% to 41.70%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests an 83.29% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 4.37% and 86.86%. This translates to a price range of $18.36 to $32.87 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOFI includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for SOFI Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. The SOFI stock price declined by 1.73% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, dropping from $17.90 to $17.59. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.57%, with a low of $17.27 and a high of $18.06. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has seen a gain of 15.04%. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume tends to follow price trends. On the last day, trading volume fell by 16 million shares, resulting in a total of 51 million shares exchanged for around $895,160,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock reached $18.10, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price stands 2.82% or 51 cents below the 52-week high and 37.76% or $10.67 below the all-time high of $28.26 achieved on February 1st, 2021. SOFI Technologies is making headlines as it reaches a new 52-week high, buoyed by a broader market rally following the recent presidential inauguration. This surge, attributed to renewed investor confidence, has seen SOFI's stock rise significantly. Analysts are optimistic about the company's upcoming earnings report, anticipating strong growth, especially as SOFI has demonstrated robust member growth and revenue diversification, leading to improving margins. Market sentiment is further enhanced by insights from SOFI's head of investment strategy, Liz Young-Thomas, who suggests a constructive outlook under the new administration could provide additional momentum for stocks like SOFI. The combination of a positive market backdrop and favorable earnings expectations positions SOFI well for continued upward movement. In the short term, this optimism and positive momentum can drive the stock price higher, potentially attracting more investors and creating a self-fulfilling prophecy. Long term, the market's acknowledgement of SOFI's strong growth potential amidst favorable macro conditions could solidify its standing as a compelling investment, suggesting that now might be an opportune time for stakeholders to consider their positions. Overall, SOFI's current trajectory indicates a favorable outlook, bolstered by both earnings growth and market dynamics. The following signals have been identified for SOFI. The SOFI stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is an overall buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support at levels around $16.05 and $15.71. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals, which could impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 21st, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 1.73%. Continued decline is suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 95 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 100 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOFI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $15.29 and $14.13. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SOFI finds support just below today's level at $15.29. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $14.13 and $14.11. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock moved 790 cents between its high and low, or 4.57%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.80%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SOFI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors expect significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 27th of January 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 4 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOFI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOFI is at $17.90. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOFI encounters its first support level at $15.29. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for SOFI from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 21st of May, 2024, Freiberg Stephen J. conducted an insider purchase of 7,571 shares of common stock. On the same day, Freiberg Stephen J. conducted an insider sale of 7,571 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 23rd of December, 2024, Keo Kelly conducted an insider sale of 8,914 shares of common stock. On the 19th of December, 2024, Rishal Jeremy conducted an insider sale of 64,991 shares of common stock. On the 16th of December, 2024, White Derek J. conducted an insider purchase of 148,403 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 54.937. Overall, insiders purchased 10,332,632 shares, and sold 35,074,968 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $16.81, representing a decline of 4.42%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is SOFI stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable expectation for SOFI stock to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have updated our recommendation for this stock from a hold or accumulate position to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 23rd of January, we anticipate SOFI to open at 5 cents higher, starting the trading session at $17.64. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.